Hi. What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face, then I make my bed. After that, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Sometimes I drink milk or coffee. I like to eat fruit, too. It helps me feel fresh in the morning.
How do you go to school or work?
I go to school by bicycle. It takes me about 15 minutes. I like riding because it is healthy. I can see many people on the way.
What do you do after school?
After school, I go home and take a rest. Then I do my homework. Sometimes I watch TV with my family. I also play games with my friends.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Before sleeping, I read a book. I like quiet time before bed. It helps me sleep well.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles. I like to eat them with vegetables and chicken. They are soft and tasty. I can eat noodles every day.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love fruits. My favorite fruits are mangoes and bananas. They are sweet and healthy. I eat fruit every day.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax at home. Sometimes I go shopping with my family. We also watch movies together. I enjoy weekends very much.
Who cooks in your house?
My mother cooks in my house. She makes delicious food every day. I help her in the kitchen sometimes. I love her cooking very much.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. It tastes fresh and sweet. I drink it in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I take a shower. Then I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After that, I watch TV or read a book.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them every day. I clean my room and wash the dishes. Sometimes I water the plants. I like to make my parents happy.
What clothes do you like to wear?
I like to wear comfortable clothes. I usually wear t-shirts and jeans. They are easy to move in. I wear nice clothes on special days.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping very much. I go to the market with my mom. We buy food and clothes. It is fun to look at many things.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music. Sometimes I read short stories. I also play games on my phone. It helps me relax.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends. We study and play together. They are very kind and funny. I like spending time with them.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It makes me feel calm and happy. Many of my clothes are blue. I like the color of the sky.
What do you like to do with your family?
I like to eat dinner with my family. We talk and laugh a lot. Sometimes we go for walks. My family makes me feel loved.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like watching TV. I watch cartoons and news. My favorite cartoon is funny and colorful. I watch TV in the evening.
What do you do before going to school?
I wake up early and get ready. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast. After that, I go to school.
How do you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays with my family. We visit our relatives or travel. Sometimes we stay home and rest. I enjoy every holiday.
What subject do you like at school?
I like English the most. I love learning new words. My teacher is very kind and helpful. English makes me happy to learn.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Lucky. He is small and cute. I play with him every day.
What do you do when it rains?
When it rains, I stay inside. I read books or watch TV. Sometimes I look outside and watch the rain. It feels peaceful.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. I play it with my friends at school. It makes me strong and happy. I like watching football on TV too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to songs every day. Music makes me feel good. I like singing along.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice with vegetables for lunch. Sometimes I have meat or fish. I drink water after eating. Lunch gives me energy for the afternoon.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. I read storybooks and English books. Reading helps me learn new words. I read before going to bed.
Where do you live?
I live in a small house. It is clean and comfortable. There are 4 people in my family. We are very happy together.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast. I get dressed for school. I feel fresh and ready for the day.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. I like the bright and sunny days. I can play outside with my friends. I enjoy eating ice cream in summer.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. I want to see new places. Traveling makes me happy. I learn many things from new places.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa. She is kind and funny. We go to the same school. We help each other in everything.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing. I draw pictures in my free time. It makes me feel calm. I keep my drawings in a notebook.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school. My teachers are very nice. I learn many subjects every day. My friends make school fun.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I like to eat rice with chicken for dinner. Sometimes I eat soup or fish. I enjoy eating with my family. Dinner is my favorite meal.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is the park. It is green and quiet. I like walking there in the evening. I can see many flowers and trees.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I like playing games. I play with my friends after school. We play football and some phone games. It is always fun.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I take a rest. Sometimes I sleep for a while. I also drink some water. Then I feel better.
What do you do on your birthday?
On my birthday, I celebrate with my family. We eat cake and take pictures. My friends give me gifts. I feel very happy that day.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat. Cats are soft and cute. I like to play with them. They make me smile.
What do you do when you are sick?
When I am sick, I rest at home. My mother gives me medicine. I drink water and sleep a lot. Soon, I feel better.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like studying English. It is an important language. I want to speak English fluently. I study every day to improve.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I do my homework. Then, I take a short nap. Sometimes I play outside. I enjoy my afternoon time.
What do you like about your town?
My town is small but beautiful. The people are kind and friendly. There are many trees and shops. I like living here.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a cartoon. It is funny and colorful. I watch it many times. It always makes me laugh.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every morning. I do some stretching and jumping. It helps me stay strong. I feel good after exercising.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking with my mom. We make soup and rice together. I learn many new things. It is fun and delicious.
What do you do when you are sad?
When I am sad, I talk to my mom. She listens and helps me feel better. Sometimes I listen to music. It makes me calm again.
What makes you happy?
My family and friends make me happy. I feel happy when we are together. I also feel happy when I learn new things. Every day can be a happy day.